Do you want your English to sound better without learning difficult grammar? Of course, everybody wants. Today in the video, I will tell you 5 quick tips which will instantly improve the way your English sounds. So let's start it. Tip number 1. Speak little slower. Yes, you heard it right. Many learners try to speak very fast, and because of that, their sentences become unclear. But when you speak slowly, you will look more confident and your words will be clear. So start speaking slower and look confident, and you will be able to represent your thoughts clearly. Number 2, use simple words. Actually, people think good English means using difficult vocabulary. Actually, it is not true. Simple English sounds natural and confident. And initially, we don't need high-fi vocabulary. After practicing and gradually, you will learn new vocabulary. So stay practicing with simple words. Point number 3, take small pause. Fluent speakers don't speak continuously, they take pause. For example, today I want to share you something important. Taking pause will help you to become good speaker and you will be able to make others understand whatever you are saying. And taking pauses will help you to become natural and professional. You don't need to speak in hurry. You need to take your time to convey your message. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. If I'll speak very fast, you will not be able to understand me. You will not be able to catch my words. So speaking slowly is also a part of communication. Point number 4, pronounce words clearly. Actually, in communication, pronunciation matters a lot. If you mispronounce words, it may convey wrong message or it can have a different meaning. So stay mindful whenever you speak anything because pronunciation is the only thing you convey your message. If I'll speak anything wrong, you will get my words wrong, right? So pronunciation must be correct. You cannot compromise here. Point number 5, use confident body language. It matters a lot. Whenever you speak, if it is any language, make eye contact, use facial expressions, keep natural smile on your face, use gesture and good postures. So work on your body language as well, not on language only, but body language matters a lot here. Remember, English is not about big vocabulary. It is about clear and confident communication. If you practice these 5 things daily, definitely your English will sound better. And tell me in the comment section which tip will you start using today. And I will see you in the next video. Follow for more.